Learning animals' names and sounds with Spiderman. Hey, my name is Cow. C-O-W, cow. My name is Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. My name is Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. My name is Goat. G-O-A-T, goat. My name is Sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. My name is Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. My name is Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. My name is Pig. P-I-G, pig. My name is Dog. D-O-G, dog. My name is Cat. C-A-T, cat.